Hi viewers, welcome back to Pharma Book channel. This is Ram. From the past videos, we are learning about introduction of the pharmaceutical industry and departments in the pharmaceutical industry and job roles and responsibilities of individual department. Yes, today we are going to learning about industrial practices, operating procedures. That is standard operating procedures, nothing but SOPs. In this video today we are going to learn what is SOP and what is record and what is document and preparation of the SOP and minimum requirements of the SOP and benefits of SOP along with contents of the SOP. So let's get into our channel. Before entering to the topic, we go through the few of the definitions. In that first one, standard operating procedure. It is defined as a set of written instructions that describes how to perform routine activities is called SOP. Document. It is an official record that provides information. Record. Set down to writing or for the purpose of preserving evidence. SOP, document and record are the most commonly used terminology in the pharmaceutical industries. Many of the interviewer asked the questions about document and record, and also they asked about variation between the document and record. Moving to benefits of the SOP, person to person variation shall be minimized, promotes the quality in the organization. SOPs can help to comply the regulatory requirements and also use as a part of personal trainings. Follow the writing style for preparation of the SOP. In that, the first one, it should be in a simple, concise, step-by-step and easy to read format. Active voice and present verb should be used. The term you should not use. Document should not wordy and lengthy. Flowcharts, specific font size and margin should be followed for the preparation of the standard operating procedures. The SOP should contain title name, document number, revision number, effective date, page number, review and approval, signs. SOP prepared person should be a subject matter expert, nothing but a trained and experienced, and he follow the group approach. See the contents of the SOP. Number 1, purpose. You have to describe the need of the SOP in purpose. Describe the applicability of the SOP in the scope section. Number 3, responsibilities. Respect to department responsibility described here. New terminology used in the SOP shall be defined in a definition section. Step-by-step instructions are given in the section 6 procedure. Short names abbreviated in abbreviation section and revision details was covered in the revision history details. Here we have discussed basic requirements of standard operating procedure. For any clarification or doubts, please comment in comment section. For better knowledge on preparation of standard operating procedure and what is SOP and benefits of SOP, please refer US EPA guidelines. US EPA means United States Environment Protection Authority. Guys, please like, share and subscribe Pharma Book channel.